Riley tried to cross the SKeg Field and it just didn't pan out.
I got a couple actually.
This video is brought to you in part by Toy Factory Fab, North Shore Off-Road, Alberta OHV Trail Riders.
Hey, baby. Woohoo. What's going on, you guys? Country Slicker here. I know we've been taking a break lately. We've been super excited with the new side-by-side that we bought, but we are now headed out today in the Jeep, the trusty but rusty 98 Jeep ZJ. We're going out. We're going out with the Jeep. We're going out with the boys. We're going to go have some fun. We're going to go exploring today up to No Telly Valley. Should be a good time. I haven't actually started this truck in close to 8 weeks, so hopefully this thing starts. I guess we'll see what happens here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Like a champion. Anyways, we're gonna head out to we're gonna head out to Cochrane right now to meet up with everybody, and then we are headed out to No Telly Valley. So stay tuned, you guys. All right, all the lights are on. Perfect. We got our ABS light. We got our check engine light. Seems to be running tip-top. All right, there's the boys up there. We got Clay behind me in the Niner ZJ, the legendary 5.9 liter V8 ZJ, locked up front and rear. Beautiful rig, beautiful rig. And then we got Riley in the Tortoise, the Jeep, I believe it's a Jeep JK on 35s, and then of course Jeff, and he's on 35s in his TJ. So we got a great group out today. Man, for Jeff saying he was going in the back of the pack, he's sure up front a lot.
Yeah, I think there is a passing zone coming up on the other side of Cremona. You might be able to get by them.
Copy that, perfect. Man, like some of these properties, just gorgeous. I don't know who gets this country to themselves, but this is nice big country out here. Beautiful. All right, so our normal access point has been redesignated. News to us, but it has been redesignated. So we are now following the Gaia map to get a second access point. So this is where we would like to go, and it's not available. So we're gonna go down, up this road, and try to get in there instead. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that's the plan. So the adventure's already started. We haven't even broken off the off the dirt road anyways, and we can't get access. So we're gonna try going down a little further and see what we can figure. It's a pretty drive though. Very, very pretty. All right, we are on the trail. It is tight trails back here. Nice and tight, and we got lots of snow. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, first obstacle, removing a big old 16-inch tree. No, not 16-inch, I had 14-inch maybe. We're gonna winch this out of the way using the Smitty built. All right, might as well be a road. The city should contract me. Look at that. Nice little grade here. Riles is just crawling it. We're crawling, boys, we're crawling. It doesn't look like much, but this is pretty soupy. Like there's some soup here. And we didn't air down yet because we didn't know how far we'd get. So with 30 PSI in the tires, you're not going very far. It's moving. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, air, right?
Oh yeah, man, air. Look at that. That's a ruby too. Whew. You got about 3 feet to come back if that's what you're gonna do. You don't have much. Yeah, there you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I don't know why you keep stopping. You gotta keep those tires spinning to clear it out.
Oh, fuck.
You gotta keep those tires moving to keep them clean. Otherwise they're just soup. Keep them going. Keep them going. It's a pine tree. We made what I'd call a really good attempt going up the trail, but there's like 5-6 different huge trees down, so we're gonna go back the way we came and pick another trail. trail's just kind of terminated into this big open field where there's lots and lots of evidence of people shooting and doing skeet and all that. So pretty cool terrain. What the hell? What happened here? Holy.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. Crazy. Crazy, man. Oh, so many bones, so many femurs. I don't know if this is a local, like, hunting site or what. It's crazy. Real interesting site you can really sink your teeth into, you know?
The trail we were on opened up quite nicely and continued through 4 different corners multiple times, meaning there was many different ways we could get back to the road or go deeper into the bush. As we continued to explore and play around where the washouts had gone and the river had made their passes, we realized that as the day was going on, we weren't going to have enough time to explore every single trail. This was a super nice area, however it is not well traveled, and it's recommended whenever you do go out this far, make sure you have spare tires, patches and plug kits, compressors, and sorts of spare parts in case you do blow a differential or a U-joint or anything else that's typically a worry when you're off-roading.
Oh, we could go that direction, long way. That way, probably the way back home. What a cool area. We need like 6 more days to explore this. We keep coming to crossroads and making changes, and it's almost 4 in the afternoon, so we got to start heading home here. That little badger den, it's neat. All right, Riley tried to cross the SKeg Field and it just didn't pan out, so next. Gonna go get him. This sucks. She's mucky in there, buddy.
She's no good until she wasn't good anymore.
Oh man, so close yet so far, eh?
I don't know what happened.
Oh man, you just got too comfortable. Too lazy, I guess. All right, good thing we got this thing already.
I was like, don't stop spinning, don't stop spinning.
You did good, man.
And we're
Not
stuck.
bad, yeah. Were you locked up too?
No.
Lockers on? No? Oh, you should have been locked. I was sort of thinking, I was like, maybe I'll tell him, and then, no, we'll see what happens. So, perfect, man. Yeah, give that a yank right to your back, and then you have a hook on there, don't you? On the back end?
Yeah, I got a spot. I'll have to pull a shackle out.
Okay, yeah, no, do your thing. I'll let you know if you're going too far. Woo! Oh, that's in the piss there. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna be able to turn around in here. I'm gonna have to back up through this. Gross. Very gross.
When we made the decision to go through the SKeg Field, I had been looking at our new Gaia app that I just purchased. It did show that was the quickest way home. Unfortunately, you can see here where trying to go the quickest way is not always the smartest way. Riley ended up getting stuck and we had to do a quick winch to get him out. Luckily for us, the ground is still so frozen we didn't have to worry about him breaking through and going really, really deep.
All right, you guys, I think that's the end of our adventure. Thank you for watching the video. If you guys are still with us, please consider smacking that subscribe button. We appreciate the support. We do it all on the channel. We try to go out in the side-by-side, the Jeep, all the stuff, all the toys. We love exploring Alberta, British Columbia. We've been known to get out towards, even Saskatchewan a little bit here and there. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and we will see you guys on the next adventure. Country Slicker out of here.